incredible custom pool, lake view with southern exposure. So many upgrades in this Somerville. Can't wait to share our new listing at 11985 Bay Oak Drive in Arborwood Preserve. Let's check it out. And starting with the outside, lovely landscaping, a great street really close to the back exit and the resident only gate. One of my favorites with the Somerville 3-car garage. And you've got a screened in double door entrance, incredible. Here we go, welcome in. So you have seen the Somerville before, one of Lennar's best-selling floor plans. This is why. Wide double door entrance. You can see all the way through out to the pool through the open living floor plan. Stunning. But for today, we're going to start up here in the front. So you've got your front bedroom here. Nice sized bedroom. There's a queen bed in here today. You can fit bigger if that is something you want. This home has the upgraded floor tile that was used at the time of build, and it is carried throughout the home. No carpet here. Here is your bathroom number 2. This is the doubles as your guest bath with a shower tub combo. All right, you have a nice sized office in the Somerville floor plan. Plenty of natural light throughout. You'll see there are custom lights and fans throughout the home. And coming in now to the main living area. This open living is why so many people love this floor plan. And wait till you see how these owners customized. Somerville has one of the largest islands we ever see, and this one is even larger. So they swapped out the granite and they brought in this beautiful quartz countertops, and they extended them to give room for a couple more stools. That island is 13 feet long. Beautiful modern backsplash with under cabinet lighting. Got a nice pantry there in the corner. Tons of countertop and cabinet space in the Somerville. Another change they made here was going to the sink from the normal 2-sided sink. That is what is normally included with the Somerville. There is crown molding throughout the home. And we're going to take a peek here at the star, the outside space. These owners chose to put in French doors to carry out to the lanai. And just, can we have a moment of silence for just a moment for this incredible pool? The lanai is extended as far as it can. Highly upgraded travertine tiles. Picture window screen looking over your southern exposure lake view. Standalone hot tub for extra space and comfort. This pool has been converted to saltwater, and you can see has a really cool upgraded iridescent tile, waterfalls, jets, a bubbler, and I love it when they line the stairs with tile. Makes it easier to see when you're getting in and out of the pool. But this space is just heaven. And I don't want to forget, there is a roll down hurricane shutters on the back lanai as well. All right, coming back in, let's check out the primary suite. Really spacious bedroom. Again, flooring is throughout. Look how much room there is in here. King size bed, lots of furniture. And as we come into the ensuite, dual sinks, each with their own vanity. A really large walk-in shower. And then something that is unique to this Somerville is that they took out the bathtub and they made a huge storage closet. Oh, you know I love me some closets. They've done California closets as well in the primary closets, of which there are 2. All right, we're gonna carry back through and check out the 3rd bedroom and 3rd bathroom. Split bedroom design. Each bedroom has privacy. They are all in different parts of the home. Here is the bedroom and the ensuite with a walk-in shower. Lovely bedroom suite here. And coming out to the garage, we got the pass-through for the laundry, upgraded front loader laundry machines. Cabinets have been added, and you do get a sink with this floor plan. And a quick peek at the 3-car garage, another benefit of the Somerville. Epoxy flooring. Lots of space here in the 3-car garage. Arborwood Preserve is conveniently located just off the Daniels corridor, close to 75, really close to RSW International Airport. You've got a Publix within 5 minutes. You've got the Red Sox spring training is just within 5 minutes. Fine Folk Pizza, oh, one of my favorites in Southwest Florida. Why do I always talk about food? Anyway, Fine Folk Pizza is close by. Yo Paulie, that's my favorite pizza. Fort Myers Brewing, just down the road. Everything the Gateway area has to offer. Not to mention, you're still only 25, 30 minutes from our award-winning beaches, downtown Fort Myers, everything it has to offer, and just a short drive south on 75 to get to Naples. This location is incredible. If you want to learn more about this house or any other house in Southwest Florida, please contact me directly at 239-776-6872. If you know someone this house could be a fit for, please share this video with them. You should like our channel, subscribe. You'll be notified every time we release a new video. So make sure you check out our Arborwood Preserve community tour and see all of the resort style amenities that you have access to if you decided to make a move and purchase this home and make it yours. Give us a call. We would love to help you live joy in Florida too.